The Automan here. Hey, today we're talking about what to do if you have your vehicle in for a repair and you pick it up and it's not working right properly. Most quality facilities, such as the West Automotive Group, want your vehicle fixed right the first time, get you back on the road, and 99% of the time, that's the way the repair goes. But every now and then, there can be a component failure, a personnel failure as far as something went wrong that was missed, or multitudes of other things. It could have been a multi-point repair and only one part of it was performed because the second part was not showing up at the time. There's several components here, everything from computers to noises caused by wheel bearings, cooling system issues, brake concerns. They all can have these type of concerns. The most important thing to remember is if you pick up your vehicle and you're having a concern, take the time as soon as possible and you're in a safe place to call the repair facility that repaired the vehicle. They're going to want to get you back in and get you taken care of if they're a quality facility. If you were to call us and having this problem, we'd get you in right away, get you rechecked, and find out what's going on with your vehicle. Remember, most quality facilities want you to be a happy customer.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.